everybody. Thank you and welcome to Nurses Who Grow with a 420 RN. I am Jodi Chapin, host of the show, and today is a special episode. You see me in this crazy getup. Well, I got an emergency call that someone might have spider mites in their grow tent. So spider mites are no bueno, and I don't want to bring them back to my grow. So this is miles and miles and miles away from my grow, but even still, if I go into somebody else's grow and those mites get on me, I can bring them back to my grow. And I don't want that because spider mites is one of those things, they reproduce quickly. Spider mites are like little teeny tiny spiders. They're arachnids that infest plants. They like to feed on the greenery, and they suck all those nutrients from the plants, and the plants don't grow well. But these mites, they can reproduce so fast. 200 at a time, these females. The females outnumber the males 3 to 1, I think it is. And they can produce 200 eggs in 8 days. So they can infest your whole grow and it can destroy it. You can treat it. There are different products that are out there that can treat it. One of them, and it can be prophylactically before it happens, or as you get it. But they're pretty tough to get rid of. So you really want to make sure that you have a good product and that you're really aggressive. You're checking those leaves. But the biggest thing is prevention. Don't bring them into your grow room at all. That means no animals, pets going around your grow. No introducing other plants. Don't just collect strays. I'm kind of guilty of that. But if you do take on any new plants, you want to make sure you quarantine them away from your current grow and watch them. You're looking at the leaves, top and bottom. These mites, they're teeny tiny. So you want either one of those like a jewel notch or a jeweler's loop, or what I have stuck in my hairnet are these dental microscope. You can wear the goggles and really get close and still have your hands to be able to flip those leaves and really go through them. So I invested in these, which really help. I mean, when I'm trichome hunting too, when the girls are in flower. But I wanted to make sure that I am not bringing any of these mites home. So back to these mites, I don't want them in my grow. So I have full coverage. I even have a hairnet. My hair is up. I don't want it at all. I'll make sure that I wash everything. So I am going to go back to the tent. I'm going to look at these plants, really inspect these leaves, and if I find any evidence of mites, I'm likely going to suggest destroying all of the plants. They're, I think, about a month or two in. They're all clones. So I would likely suggest destroying them, terminating them, and just do a terminal cleaning of the tent, of the room, because it can get into the filters. They could have crawled outside of the tent, and then I will educate that you really should have very few people going in and out of that tent, making sure that their hygiene is great. It's like Corona. You want to make sure that you're not bringing anything into them, because you don't want to bring anything home with you if you have your own grow at home. So that's the next step. I'm going to head back to the tent. I'll take some pictures and see what we got back there. So thank you for joining us, and I will get back to you with the results, but join me again on Nurses Who Grow with a 420 RN, decreasing stigma one leaf at a time. Thank you.